So we're now heading out to the train station. I'm gonna head to Amsterdam Rye and pick up my badge for IBC. So this year's IBC, I'll be standing at the port keys booth. It's actually more aligned with like also what I do as a focus puller. I mainly actually use like port keys monitor to pull focus with. But first, we're now at Rotterdam station and we're gonna take a train to Amsterdam Rye. Got my badge. They're gonna show you guys how like the show actually looks at before it actually happens. Yes, here is Canon booth. Gonna be excited to see the new C50 here. So Red has the booth, so I'm able to see the new Nikon CR. We have Holy Land, YC Onion. But what I really like about being there actually a day before is saying hi to all the brands that I know, and also like it's more relaxed than during the show when there's so many people around. And also something you can check out is these magazines, especially now with the adolescent cinematographer and Superman. So that was it for the first day, so pre-IBC. So quite interesting to see certain brands that used to have a small booth now have a big one, and vice versa. But also interesting to see like people working for certain companies switching over to other companies and actually meeting them again. And yeah, now heading home.